Hey guys, it's been a while I made a video and all that. So just bear with me and I'll give you the reason to listen for once. And today is Easter. It's not over yet. So the thing is I'll tell you why I'm doing this. I'll tell you first why I'm doing this. My daughter she's quite brilliant the way you people define things she's beyond words so I haven't taught her anything most teach their children. It's the blood thing. Okay, it's in the blood. So she has learned Japanese from Google. She knows scripting and all that. I haven't sent her to any computer classes. I haven't taught her programming or anything like this. So that's not much of a thing, but today it's a quite fast thing. But she does things people know, my classmates. They know I used to, uh, I'm an artist. I like painting and all that. It's in my hand, it's in my blood. My mom used to do it, so it's naturally there. She never taught me. So likewise, I never taught my daughter, but she does amazing paintings. She does amazing art, So she's into Japanese things, She was, she made a game for a Japanese director. Some name I don't know. I don't remember also. So what happened is before she could publish it, some hacker stole it. So I've been telling this for quite some time, net is a naked place, everyone is sitting naked there, guys, you're being watched. That's all. So I don't care now, I don't care what happens because it got stolen, our game got stolen, and it's already in the market. So the thing is, I know the things she can do. Uh, I see things in ways you won't comprehend. This is a native thing. I'm a native. You guys know us like indigenous and all that, tribal and all that. I'm in India. If India is still around, it's not India anymore. So, what was I saying? Yeah. So she made this game and all that. And it's yeah, we're called Adivasis here. Do you know Constitution doesn't allow government officials to use the word Adivasi. We are said we are identified as ST. It's I feel like some bloody this thing. What algebras x and y variables just for vote bank and profit and loss. Right and wrong is profit and loss. Yeah, you should be clear by now. So let's get back to my daughter's thing. So early morning she came to me she started crying. And I said, what happened? She said पापा जो गेम हमने बनाया था ना वो एक कोई चोरी कर लिया. वो उसको अभी दूसरे नाम से मार्केट में डाल रहा है. इट वॉज ए हॉरर गेम. ओके. So you guys believe in logic. So I lay it down for you like that. Alright. The thing is wasn't this simple enough? Action begets consequence. If you do this, this will happen. Karma, dharma, karma, all those things. It was very simple. If you do good, good things will happen. But it's a very different thing when you call it good or bad. Okay, right and wrong, profit and loss. But if you go a level up, like if you do this will happen. Action, consequence. If you do this thing happens. Everything is orchestrated. Is that logical enough? So I knew what was going to happen. You might not believe and all that. You might think like it's it's a crazy thing or something like that. But I'll tell you something. I've done my homework. You know, I've have I've taken that journey to find myself. I know who I am now. But you are carrying somebody else's name. The name that you see on me is not my real name. It's a character I play. Likewise, I'll speak to you in Hindi, most of the times, I see a lot of women, I keep it point blank all the time. I don't, I don't, I don't know what you call it, corrupt. I don't corrupt things. I don't mix, I just give it the way it is. Like, I say how it is. So I've been called pedophile, racist, and what do you call it? XYZ, anything between A to Z. So I have a daughter. So here's the thing. See, I'll tell you this thing. Today is Easter. It's not complete yet. My mom died on 2020, December 15th, I think. She got burnt, neck down, about 89-90%. But she knew what was going to happen much before it happened. It's there in our family. Okay, we are natives. We can talk to wind. We can talk to trees, animals, and all the five elements. We have five senses. That's all there is. You're a satellite, live satellite. But you lost it. Thing is she died on December 21st or 22nd, somewhere around that, So it was about 7 days. So what happened is my daughter was born in 2011. So roughly about, because we have numbers, we like to, humans like precision. Guaranteed thing So when my daughter was born, scientifically, even religiously, not religiously, from the holy books and all that, all the religious books and all that, it is proven. My DNA carries all my ancestors' DNAs. So the thing is science has proven it. It's there in documentation and all that. Our DNA is, it's awareness. Okay, your awareness is connected to your DNA. Your DNA is the storage thing, keeps the information. So now the environment around me is for now, but every environment changes. So what happens is your DNA is active only for that environment. Once that environment goes, after a generation, it changes. So that DNA, that storage thing, that information, slowly becomes obsolete. But that doesn't mean it goes away. It's still there. If you prepare that environment there, it will tell you what it is. So I can decode any DNA now. Okay, I can talk to almost I know how to talk. You must have seen my photos and all that in Facebook. So what happened is my daughter cried, and before, this is what I was going to say. By DNA, by scientific explanation or scientific explanation or however explanation, my daughter carries my mother's genes, my father's genes, are all ancestors' genes, my wife's and mine and everything. Okay, I see all that. And she is a very powerful being, okay? She'll bloody tear you apart if you cross her. Innocent storm. But I'm trying to calm her down, okay? So hold on there. See, so before my mother died, she was already born in my daughter. And this gets more, funny for you to comprehend. Like, I hope it is okay to, receive it. See, my mother knew beforehand, like, what's going to happen. So the thing is, like, my father, he has his reasons. I don't blame him for that. I've been putting a lot of story, like, how like people like to, you know, listen to stories, like, So what happened is, like, my father, because of some reason, a lot of reasons that I won't tell you right now. I'll keep on making videos later after that. I'll tell you a lot of stories, like stories that you haven't heard. Nobody tells you those stories. Stories of nobodies. Okay. So my father, he said, told me, like, mother was a whore, like, I felt very funny, like, because I've been around, like, and I've been with whores and all that. My friends were there, so I don't find them any different than any of us. There were some women, like, in Pune. I was there in Pune, so some of them had families, but their husbands were, like, gone case. So they have families, the children are there, and school fees is there, this is there, that is there, all expenses are there. So, like, if she is my friend and she comes me, like, come fuck me, like, I can't do that. I can't do that because I know pain. I have known pain since my birth. So it becomes very different for me. Even I know I've been with women, like, it's a lot of blind spots and turns and this thing. The journey is there. So this is Easter, and my mother, she was called a whore. Then when I look back and try to join the dots, and I see, like, it's there in my daughter. My mom is there. And the best part, when my mom died, I'll speak in Hindi here, like, मैंने माँ को तीन मुट्ठी मिट्टी के सिवा कुछ नहीं दिया है जिंदगी में. As a man or son or something like that, that's how you relate things, like, I never gave anything more, any more than 3 handful of dust. So there's this equation. Bible, I mean, like, this time in this loop, I'm 52, I think now. I was born in 72. So in this loop, I become Gajni, like, memento. What was that? Alright, so I keep forgetting. That's one, it's. Okay, let me hold on. Easter, this thing. So, here is a whore. She's become virgin again. You people talk about Mother Mary, right? So now, can you figure out, like, educated guys, like, So, this is how it becomes, like, I gave my mother 3 handful of hands. 3 muट्ठी मैंने मिट्टी दिया. ठीक है, this is your human language. So it's like I came from dust, I went back to dust. So it got neutralized. Like, I was free that day. A layer, you should see a movie of Daniel Craig, Layer Cake. Most people go to see movies for things they relate to, but I go for things very differently. My way. I mean, like, what I have always felt like. So this is what happened. I have after that, when a picture became clear, dots join, puzzle pieces when they join together, you see the grand picture, like. So I saw, like, I have cradled my mother in my arm, like, I have taken my mom in my arm, sang lullabies, like, so that she could sleep and all that. She had real nice timing, like, So those things are there, So here's my mother who's given everything to me. Then, there's again my daughter. You guys call daughter, but I will go to that uh, thing little on other episodes, probably. So, not probably, we will get there. So, मैंने अपनी माँ को अपने गोद में खिलाया जिसने मुझे अपने गोद में खिलाया था. तो मेरे जैसे धनवान इंसान ना वो पैसों के इसमें नहीं आता है. तो if you are going to offer me something other than money, you may try, but you can't give me what I just have no wish left anymore, except action and consequence. So I had posted quite long back because I know things don't happen for there's no accident, there's no luck, there's no fate. So here's this Mother Mary thing, it goes in loop. Everything happens. History repeats itself. You created it. So I'd warned the governments, International Code of Justice, I'd sent letters and all that to everyone, every important person, every big shot and this and that. So I said, the day my daughter cries, I'm going to bring down this empire of yours. There's a song by Johnny Cash, Hurt. You can have it all, my empire of dirt. You can try to have it, but you can't have it. Okay. Mycelium, it connects everything, but that is how you understand, that is how you relate to, but I see very differently. Mycelium isn't just below earth, it's everywhere. We are all interconnected. You guys don't feel it. I will get to that on another episode. So this is what I had said, the day my daughter cries, I'll bring down this government because I've been through hell. Okay, I've seen places normally people don't go to. So it's not a threat or anything like that. You guys understand fear. I was never afraid. Simple logic. We are made of dust, earth, mitti. Then what should I be afraid of? धरती मेरी माँ है अब तो तुम लोग की तो बजाएगी अच्छे से, ठीक है. तुम लोग जमीन के दलाली में घुस गए हैं. देश लकीरें ये सब बना के ये पार्टीशन कर दिए. खुद को बड़ा बताने के लिए दूसरे को छोटा कर देते, लड़ाई भी कर लेते ऊपर से. So this is what I have seen judges screw little children, girls, this and that, and any fancies. They live out their fancies. Once in Pune, I'll tell you this thing. Most of our friends know who all we stayed there. The lodge was, that is how we stayed there. It's next to Ferguson College. You can just go and check it out. Nandu, fellow was a nice guy. I can't blame him for playing his character. So he was a pimp. He had albums and all that of girls from that period, college girls. So, all kinds of people used to come there. Cops, robbers, judges, dogs. No, not dogs. You're not anywhere near dogs, okay? You're nowhere near loyalty. Remember that. So the thing is let me have some beer. So what happens is there's this Chatursingi chowk or something like that in front of Pune University. Okay, so there used to be Chatursingi Mela, this carnival or something like that. So once one girl from some village got lost. She was mentally a little bit. That's how you call mentally unbalanced, disturbed or something. But they're not mentally disturbed. Even I'll prove that to you. You like proof, okay? You believe in proof. So these two cops told her, okay, let's take a room, So right in front of her, in the lodge where I used to live, there are rooms where they have sex and all that. So they got her there, they screwed her for 2 days and all that. Then I don't know what they did. So cops and all, I don't care anymore. You don't scare me or and nothing like that. So what happened is I've seen shit and it's yeah. So that's that. So now my daughter, my mom, she has shed her tear, but this is where I'll tell you, tears are not ours. It's orchestrated, conditioned. So the thing is, the simple thing was I asked a couple of my educated friends, who are educators and all that, please look into this. A lot of times, because of what do you call that, mehengai, things don't add up. You can't join ends quite a lot of times. Everyone knows that. So, but she's so brilliant. She's already earned more than I can ever earn. But my story is different. It's like a Truman Show, the Jim Carrey's. Yeah, yeah. All the characters I have seen I have seen creation more than once. I beyond count. I see it every day, every moment. So, yeah. So I'm taking out brick by brick now. I'll tell you all that stories everybody wants to hide. So I'll think out loud. My alibi is insanity. Insanity is something like love. You fall in love, break your heart, then it feels nice to be thirsty if you can enjoy that. So I don't. I know I'm kind of like me. That me word is your human word, but my language is different, native language. Yeah, this is what I'll tell you. I've heard Stalin, that Tamil Nadu CM. He said whoever decodes Mohenjo-daro and Indus Valley civilization, whatever it is, he is going to reward 10 million or something like that. Ravi Balakrishnan, you've been with me for some while in Pune, right? So I think you're in Tamil Nadu, so just take it upon him. And yeah, take it upon him. And here's the thing. I can decode anything, pyramids, this and that, any whatever you can make shapes out of, whatever thoughts, So the thing is, there's a place I need to be, but because of the chains they put me on. Okay, love. That's a very powerful chain. You can't break free from it. But here's the thing. I have gone through what I have gone through. So it's quite clear for me now. Action, consequence. I don't have to feel bad about what I've done. I don't feel bad about because I never thought I was incomplete. So it never was. Thoughts. This is the thing. Aren't we all just thoughts? Aren't you all just a thought? Somebody thought something. You are a product out of it. Product of it. You think something. There's a product for you. It's something like your reality, your whatever you see. So, yeah. One of my friend Jyoti Kundugara, I don't remember her, but it seems like we were classmates. Maybe another section or something like that. She's a principal in this thing, D'Souza School. So I've been teaching for quite a while, but not in the conventional manner how people teach. So the thing is I wanted to talk to her about education system, how to try something new, She never replied this is what I tell you. If you do good, good things happen. If you do bad, bad things happen. Okay, consider good and bad as a variable like X and Y. So, wasn't that simple enough? You have to start school, open an education system, this and that, and condition young minds. And then that is when a child loses their innocence. The moment they cross the gates, their innocence is lost, and that's not something you can give them back. So my daughter is losing her innocence, and that is going to cost you so bloody much. You don't know, okay? You don't know me yet. You don't know me yet. I don't have a name. I don't have a name. Okay, hey, so, but you use a lot of names on me. I know that. So, no, you don't even guess, it's not who you're thinking I am. No, I'm not that, okay? I don't have a name. I'm a nobody, okay? So the thing is if it adds up, I'm a nobody, so I do things that nobody else does. So you won't know me at all. So where's my cigarette Drrr. So, okay, Stalin covered, and I need to work on something. I need to heal this earth. My mother, when she got burnt neck down. So she was all in bandages, water retention goes fools, your skin is not there anymore, so it won't hold the liquid within. So I used to carry cartons of what do you call it, saline. I used to be always connected, her food and everything, or whatever she needed. It was shoved down through that. And the crazy part, you might call it, or your human part. Human means pride. Take it. You can't deny that. Knowledge is pride. Okay. So these nurses are there, and somebody is the job holders are there. They just called me to clean my mom's shit, Which son wants to see his mother naked? You know, it's a shame thing. That is what you have taught, you should not look at your mother and father naked or something like that. It's there in the Bible. Yeah, right now. Okay, so I'll remember. I hope I'll remember the Bible thing. So yeah, I had to clean my mom's waste and all that, and I felt like shit, But then later, now when I look back, when I join the dots, I see I see my mom in my daughter. So I have bathed my mom. I have cleaned her poo and all that, everything. Even today I wash her clothes when I can. Her mom is very hurt. We lost our second child because of doctors. Okay, we'll get there on some other episode. So I get blamed for that. So yeah, this is that. It doesn't matter, life or death. I saw that in that hospital. I'll cover that in another episode. Life doesn't become less by somebody's birth or death. Okay, it's there. Energy can't be created or destroyed. Okay, energy is life. And hold on, I'll just hold on. Yeah, so that happened. So now, what was that? I was trying to, yeah. I was born. I mean, I'm still in a Christian family. It seems with that name, Amitabh Bage. But if I will explain what Amitabh Bage means, you'll get scared. So, I mean, I've been to church and all that. So, church, or most of the religious people, they tell you speak the truth. And I've been junkie since last 30 plus years, and I'm still the same thing. Maybe a little simmered down. I used to smoke about 80, 90 smokes a day. I couldn't sleep most of the times. That's what used to. I mean, I don't. I know why I couldn't sleep. I didn't know then. So I used to get drunk like mad, Nothing used to happen. Bloody, oh, forget that part. I used to work for McDonald's also. So I have a lot of secrets. Big people, big secrets. Yeah. So what happened is like, yeah, I have gone through, I have yeah, substance abuse and all that, no? Yeah, I've been a junkie for a lot of my life, better part of, like most major part of my life. So today they say like smoking weed is illegal. Let me tell you something. Nature doesn't hurt you. This is body. Human body is what you call human body is a natural body. Eating medicine is pharmacy syndicates. Vice. That is what makes you sick. The food that you eat makes you sick. You don't know what food is really. If you really need food, one bite should be enough to give you a bloody strength of an elephant or whatever you want to be. You don't know all that. So you've been conditioned to, you know, be human, be a bot. Early in the morning, like a bot, you go to job. Then you speak what no, what the front one wants to hear, So it's not me. I'm not like that. I'm not at all like that. So this fellow, Aldrin Punaria. One day I was trying to explain something about Bible, and I said like it's my perspective, as everybody has a perspective. So let's share perspective and let's see what happens. So I said like there's a lot of things Then he said like you don't know shit about Bible, you don't know anything about Jesus and all that. Then I said like you may think what you want to think, but you see, Bible is not what how you people interpret it. It's like a mirror, okay? It's like a mirror in that you'll only see your soul. You won't see anyone else's. So you resonate. You understand what you know. You do not know more than that. And I know exactly what I know. I forget that part. So what happened is like this guy when he was trying to run me over I told, see, my grandfather was a preacher and his blood runs in me. I know Bible the way it is supposed to be. So he said then I told my grandfather he donated land for church and all that. So this is where he got stuck pride. Even religion is a product, if you must know. Just even like the printed currency, you think it's money. It's not a money, it's a product. If you don't buy it, the banks will go down So that's why all these things are happening. So now he said कितना पैसा चाहिए, हम जमीन खरीद लेंगे, है ना? अभी इधर ऐसा है ऑल्ड्रिन भाई, जमीन ना धरती ना मेरी माँ है, ठीक है? तो इसको खरीदने का ना तेरा तो औकात ही नहीं है, तेरा धर्म का तो बिल्कुल नहीं है। मैंने किधर से घुस के किधर से निकलेगा तेरे को पता भी नहीं चलेगा। हम तेरे सामने भी नहीं आएंगे। लेकिन पूरा अभी पोप किधर है रे? अभी पोपड़िया पीपल रोम पोप। All right, play your character. It's not and be your own judge. Been doing right, this is wrong. Before coming to get me, you try to judge it yourself. Be your own judge. You've done this many things right, you've done this many things wrong. But here's the thing, if you go short-term memory loss, even your good will be good, your bad will be good. Profit loss. You choose right and wrong based on profit loss. So that's your thing. Don't make me an audience to your pride, I don't want to be around, blah, blah, blah. So where's my smoke here? So now when I joined the pictures, my mom was bandaged the whole neck down. It's very simple to look at, Earth is a kind of star. You see stars up above. You can't see, you're light blind. So your imagination is, that kind. So imagine somebody is there, you are there on that star, and somebody is, you're here too. So how do you appear to yourself from there to here, here to there? Right? It's very simple. So now you made concrete walls, and that's how you die. Like division, profit loss. This is a natural body. You should live in nature if you want to be powerful. You love power. I know that. Yeah, this Donald Trump. What like I feel, yeah, Elon Musk. I don't really, I find him very funny. He's like a kid, like So he's got tons of money. He doesn't know what to do with it. Like so, he's just going boing bong, like Doesn't it occur to him, like he was talking about what do you call it? Freedom of speech and this and that, and Twitter and all that, and is backing up Trump. Trump doesn't know dinka chika. So he's a bot. He doesn't know he's a bot, but he's a bot. Simple thing, Elon. If I were rich as you, no kid on this earth would sleep hungry. Nobody will have to cry. And you're going to Mars. Actually, I've been there so many times. Okay, you don't understand that part. I take bath in Mars and I roam around like I can go anywhere I want. Time is created. It's a product. Everything that you see around you is like human construct. You're all you've been fed like what do you call it? Human OS, like your body is it's like a natural computer. Whatever program you install it, it'll work. Like these days we have mobiles. Okay, the most dangerous thing in the world, like it corrupts everyone. So what happens is like yeah, I got 43% of battery remaining. Uh, so you see, you could have been gods, like but you got caught in the circadian cycle. Anyway, Elon, you could have been a god. God, but you don't remember. So, this, where was I? Let me smoke, like you want to go to Mars. I mean, like, see, you've been looking for a lot of antidotes and this and that, cancer and this and that, and so all that. I have all that answer. See, there's a song by One Republic, Preacher. So my grandfather, just above my father, he was a teacher. Okay, and his father, my great grandfather, he was a preacher. So you should listen to that song, like it's puzzle pieces coming. Words are just what do you call it? Cymatics, wind energy. That's that. It's energy. So I see things what people normally don't see. It's been there with me since my childhood. I'll tell you ghost stories like if you want to hear like a lot of nice ghost stories. So when I look at Earth, like those maps from Google and all that, most people do cosmetic surgery, plastic surgery, X surgery, Y surgery. My mother looks like in a concrete surgery. How do you do that? Like should we use cement and all that to perform surgery on you instead of putting kidney and liver and all that? You don't know what gold is yet. Gold is just a stone. Okay, for us, for natives, it's there in history. If you should want to know, like so. Here's the thing. I need to be someplace. Elon Musk, Stalin, Putin, and all that. Yeah, I had put this before also. I told like my daughter like when this Russian next one Zelensky, they started fighting and all that. My daughter saw some gruesome images like. She looked at me and told me like, Papa, why don't you stop the war? Like, I became zero that day. Bloody, do I look like a man with a red underwear on? Like, no problem. But I've been an insane kind of guy. People call me insane, like I've been junky and all that, mad and all that. Anything between A to Z, like, So I tried to figure out, like, and my mom, she was something else. You never should have messed with her, like, Anyway, but I'm not angry, okay? I'm not human. I'm just born in this body, human body. I'm not human. So anyway, my mother taught me how to love, and I don't know anything else besides loving. So it's okay. I love my father, like because you know all bridges were burnt, like because of this society, social construct and all that, money, this and that. Like, but today I know how much land I have. You don't know how much land I have. Even I don't know how much land I have. So anyway, the thing is like I'm bound by this lie. Money is a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. In an Indian currency, it's written. I promise to pay the bearer the sum of 100 rupees. Promise. Okay, it's just a promissory note. Nobody has seen really what real currency looks like. I'll show you, but not now. So the thing is like I have even before I've told my father, I'm not your enemy here. You are inside me. Okay, you're in me. You're in my blood. So I'm not your enemy. He had a very high hopes from me, like going to Pune and all that for education and all that. But I did learn, like not in college, not in any this thing and all that. But and that's another chapter. So I didn't come back as an engineer or doctor and all that, so I was looked down upon. I was never introduced in our family marriages and all that, so that's a different thing. I didn't care also. uh, I know who I am, like, so why do I need to be labeled? Like, my mother never created me incomplete, okay? If you believe in God and all that, so you believe. Don't try to make me believe on what you believe. So my mother, like, there's a corner in my heart, like, I don't let anyone go there. No one. You'll never, I know you won't understand that part because you guys don't know how to love. It's there in the Bible. I have read Bible more than I can understand, like, count. If you're in the Bible is in you. It's as simple as that. Okay, so don't try to bloody make a potato out of tomato, okay? So, and one of my grandfather from my this is comedy here. How do I connect it? So I just take it. One of my grandfather, he was a medicine man. He knew medicine like dangerous man for society as today. Very dangerous man. But this is the thing. My grandfather, he had predicted it. Nobody, nobody will take this skill, this art out of our home, out of our family. So that blood is in me. I can cure cancer if you want to. My blood is like an what do you call that? Antidote to anything you want. But you don't know the cost of blood. You don't know the cost of life. You waste it like anything. So before knowing the price of life, no, if you know the price of life, you can go and kill because you can bring back life. Okay, so I know how to bring back life, but I don't. Why do I want to kill? Why should I want to kill? I don't know hate. My mother never taught me hate. Okay, so she loved everyone. Mother loves everyone. Any mother will tell you that. No mother loves one child more than the other. If anyone does that, that's not a mother. Don't think yourself as a human even now. You may think of yourself as a human, but you're not human yet. You're not born yet. You're not born yet. If you Don't believe in all that. Please believe in your lies. That's you. That's what you use every day. You use money, right? That's a lie. So you believe in your pain. You believe in your pain, right? If I told you that pain belongs to me, what would you do? What would you do? If I took it away, you'll stop feeling. I can do that. You're just a thought. That's how you understand. A thought is energy, and I can play with energy like anything. Drrr. So, yeah, Stalin, Putin, Jinkading, yeah, Benjamin Netanyahu. You guys are not God's people, all right? Don't kid yourself. You're killing children and all that. For what? Land, huh? That's always there. Real estate. Religion is a real estate thing. Real estate syndicate. So in India, they call everything mama, a mother. और तुम लोग लग जाते हो माँ की दलाली करने के लिए ये ना उधर थोड़ा मेरे जैसा हो जाता है मैं तो मैं ना किधर किधर से आता जाता किसी को पता नहीं चलता है मैं बस क्या बोलते हैं मैं आता नहीं हूँ मैं गुजर जाता हूँ उसके बाद पता चलता है कि हम गए थे ठीक है हम आए थे वो चीज़ है हम तो वो एक दादू थे हमारे वो जादूगर थे हवा पानी सबसे बात करते थे हाँ, तो इधर ना कॉमेडी हो जाता है क्या बोल रही थी हाँ हमारे घर में ना कोई बुरा ख्याल लेके नहीं घुस सकता था आज भी नहीं घुस सकता तो तुम ये सोच लेना कि हम ना किधर किधर से गुजर के आए और हम इधर खड़े हैं अभी भी ठीक है तो उधर जाने का टाइम आएगा तो हम लिखते थे डायलॉग मारते थे अमिताभ डाल दिया नाम तो चला डायलॉग ही निकलता है बुढ़ा ना मेरा पिक्चर देखा शोले चिपका डाला एंग्री यंग में वो कुछ एंग्री यंग मैन वाला देखा लगा डाला अब उधर अमिताभ बच्चन का बापू लिखा अग्निपथ इधर मैं जल गया हाँ, हाँ, घर बना के बेघर हो गया हम सब कोई ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा सबको अपना अपना कोई नहीं रहा हमारी वो क्या डायलॉग एक तो हमें तो अपनों ने लूटा हम तो बोलते हैं हमें तो अपनों ने लूटा गैरों से तो हम मिलते भी नहीं है तो इधर ना इसको थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट करते हैं हमें तो अपनों ने लूटा क्या था गैरों में तो दम नहीं था अपनी कश्ती उधर डूबी जहाँ हम थे हम नहीं रहते तो ना गैर होते न गैर होते तो ना कोई डूबता साला मेरे वजह से सब डूब गए हैं तेरी का तो अभी नापुन सबसे दूर हो जाएगा किधर है चिल्लम हाँ भाई गांजे की बात कर रहे हैं ना ऐसे है ना गांजे के उधर तो आने का नहीं क्योंकि दूध में कैसोमॉर्फिन होता है कैसोमॉर्फिन इज ओपियम पेप्टाइड एंड आवर ब्रेन हैज receptors for every kind of element if you may understand that part so it's opioid it's in mother's milk so now if you jump to another milk it still has that you get used to that. It's something like that. And this is what I'll tell you. Governments and all that. How do you get polluted so much and toxins and all that? You've heard of hyper accumulated trees. Any scientist will tell you. So hyper accumulated trees, no, they absorb toxin from this thing, earth, and they take it to the leaf, and the photosynthesis happens. They break down elements, toxins and all that, and then they distribute the way it is supposed to be done. And this body is the same thing, human body. Okay, I've been bloody abusing myself for so long. Now I know what it is like. My body is tuned to that. Where's my beer? Poison. So I can play with poison very nicely. That's my art. That's one of my art. One of my art. By numbers, you know by numbers. Things by numbers. Greater than this, smaller than that, equal to, level to, this, that. So, what was I saying? Yeah, poison. I don't get high. I don't really get high. I can't sleep. So my name is Amitabh. I'm actually a sun. What you see up on the sky is my projection of my soul, if you can understand that part. And I'm not just that. I've been. Hold on. So, where was I? Yeah, this is it. Like, I don't hate anyone here. I don't hate anyone. See, this is. I can do anything if I want to. But this is where why should I want at all? Like, You guys have been waiting for Messiah for your mistakes. That's a bloody nice thing, yeah. You do what you want to do, and just somebody you want somebody to save you for your deeds. Hold on there, like you guys are very comical. So where are my smokes? Where's my chum chum? Yeah. So what? Yeah. You don't go on drugs and all that. You can't do it. How do you know what it is? Do you know if you don't know any other language? Would you teach that language to somebody else? Yeah, you have to go through that. You have to practice it. You have to learn it. So that's that. So the thing is like I have a lot of myself around. You should get into my Facebook page and all that. Small kids like being hungry and all that. I've seen them standing in front of big shops like they don't eat food like most people like 3 times and all that. How many times you eat? Just love it. They barely get to eat. Have you seen small kids collecting garbage and all that? Yeah, it's there. The thing is like when you guys kill people, do things and that, this and that. Like I feel everything. So it's a nice thing for me the way I see it. Hurt, pain, it actually gives you a variation between. There is a variation between two loops. Okay, revolution, rotation, and between two revolution and two rotation, there is a variation. That's why you have this leap years and all that. That's a different thing. There will be on some other chapter thing. So, when I sleep, when I sleep, when you guys blink, when you guys blink, between that blink I sleep. I'll show you how to do that also. And your heartbeat, between two heartbeat, I sleep. So I'm always there. Where is my lighter, Amelia? So now the battery is going to conk out. These days I don't believe what people sell in their shops and all that. It's gone with their honesty. This laptop also I bought from a Bengali fella, old friend, same school, D'Souza. It's in Shakti Nagar. And just after 1 year, it started crying like, the performance gone for tush. So when I went to tell him this and that, like, it was just over a month, I think, over the guarantee or a warranty period. So he said, like, you're a rich man, why don't you buy another one? Oh, crap, like, profit and loss. It should tell you to grow your own food, like, then what will happen? You don't really know what food is actually. You don't need to grow also. It's everywhere. That knowledge has been hidden from you by governments and all that. Otherwise, nobody would be sad. So it's there. To sell peace, you sell war. It's the same comic thing. Yeah. Yeah. I have certain characters like, I relate to because they show me a lot of things. The first one is Jim Carrey. He's another level. Then Keanu Reeves. He's there. He's taken a lot of beating, like, still there. So he's Matrix and all that. Yeah, it's nice. Constantine. I don't know how many cigarettes Constantine used to smoke, but I think I used to smoke about 8 packs in 24 hours. I used to start boozing from morning. There was no morning and night for us. So now I smoke about. I think I smoke about 4 packs a day. I think 10 cigarettes one. But that's only a cigarette. Then I have chillam. I'm like I smoke weed. And beer and all that I take as I have finances. And this is where That fellow, Alden Puneria. I have another uncle, like, he says, like, he is my uncle and he's a Adivasi. Okay? But he's a bloody colonial, like, he mind frame and this. This fellow, he came and he wanted to take my daughter to England. He said, like, engineer बनेगी ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. I told मुंडारी जानने की क्या भूल जाएगी. मैं जैसा नहीं जानता अपना अपना मदर टंग नहीं जानता हूँ अभी अभी जोड़ तोड़ के मैं सीख लिया. ठीक है. तो अभी वैसा है ना उधर थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो जाता है. So this guy, like, I mean, like, my father's sister is there. So my father's sister's husband, his mother, and his sister was there. So some colonial Angrez, he took my and that relative there, and I don't know how it happened. Whenever I ask this guy, like, my uncle Max Golston, his son's title is different, his surname is different. He worked in Scotland Yard. One day I said, like, you're my cousin, I think. Yeah. So he wanted proof. Then he never spoke to me again. Then there is another one, like, another cousin who was PA to Raghuvar Das. So if I ask him for anything, RTI डाल के तो छोड़ दे यार. हम रिश्तेदारी का बोल के बोले ना कि तेरे को दूसरा दिखता नहीं मर रहा है कितना आदमी. तुम लोग इधर उधर झंडे गाड़ देते सब चीज़ जैसे बचाओ बचाओ SOS. इतने खतरे में हो. So that's a different comedy. Like, you guys are always afraid. That's why, like, you live in crowd, like. So अभी ऐसा है ना, मेरे यहाँ बहुत बंदे लोग हैं जिनको बहुत तकलीफ है. किसी को बच्चे का फीस देना है, परेशान परेशान घूम रहा है. किसी का घर में, अरे तुम लोग देख नहीं सकते उधर. I've seen pain, like, I mean, like, I'll show you pain if you want to. You won't be able to, digest it. I can. I love it. It shows me so many different things. But happiness, like, I get bored very fast of anything. So here's the thing. By the time this video ends and you try to wrap it around your head, you should know, like, I can bring hell. I can bring all that you have killed back to Judgment Day. No problem. So this is the thing. I need to get someplace. And your chains are holding me. That's all right. Take your time, because I know, like, like you plant a seed on ground. It takes time to come out. It takes time to grow, and then it takes time to die. So all that you've known, all that you've learned, and all that, it's not going to go out so easily. That conditioning is not going to go out. Yeah, Eddie Vedder. We had a funny encounter, like, I've been listening to his songs, like, from since I've been in Pune, like, yeah, I think that's when his first 10 came out. Okay, if you want numerology, if you want astrology, if you want anything between A to Z numbers and all that, I'm there. And this is where I tell you, like, instead of depending on GPS and all that, you should learn to study stars. They are your own. Okay, those stars are your own. If you know how to talk to them, you'll never get lost. What is Elon Musk trying to do? Go to Mars. You don't need a rocket to go there, yeah. You need something else. So I'll tell you that. So this is this. Once my daughter, after seeing that gruesome war and all that, my daughter asked me to stop the war, so I had to bloody dig deep, fall deep. Okay. So take this. My mom is always around me. So yeah, I try to do what you do. I know you'll do the obvious human thing, intelligent thing, like, that will be your pride thing and that will take you down. So no problem. You guys take it up and I'll respond to this video. I want to listen to what you want to say. So, I am bringing this thing down. I need some cash and all that to help out my friends. That is your lie. And lie belongs to me, pain belongs to me. Alright. So, yeah, I'm here. I'm just going to get my substance through me, like, and my poison. And let's see what happens. I'll catch you. Today's Easter, right? Yeah, I'll tell you I will not celebrate Easter anymore.